then she cheered me up by my clothes, and I wiped my tears off.
Oh, that's good.
Like one of, like
Don't go in Mommy's closet.
Mommy's clothes like these.
Yeah, don't go in Mommy's closet.
Boom, 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 boom. Why are you taking the pictures of me?
Uh-oh.
Oh, I lose one of Mommy's shoes. Don't take the picture yet.
I'm not.
You're just taking a picture of my head? You're crazy.
Oh, really? I think you're crazy.
You're crazy.
We gotta do your hair still.
Not yet. Not yet. You don't need to fix my hair. I'm good already.
You're good already.
Oh.
Well, it's almost time to leave to go swimming.
Yeah.
What'd you do?
Huh?
Did you break Mommy's shoe?
No. No, I didn't.
No, you didn't.
See?
Okay.
Don't take the picture yet. Are you taking the picture?
No.
Why?
Cause. How are you gonna stand up? They're too big.
Hang on. I think I know how. If I stand up already, then I won't. These perfect. These are the moon. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Do you have Twinkle, Twinkle on your phone?
No, but I could see if I could find it.
But is it just a video?
I don't know. I said don't go in Mommy's closet. Alyssa.
There's more heel ones.
I know, but don't get them out. Those are Mommy's. I like the ones you're wearing anyways.
You can get on heels too.
No. Mommy's feet are smaller than mine.